Artificial intelligence is being discussed in almost every industry right now. But in the US elevator service market, the conversation about AI is often too abstract to be useful to the people actually running field service operations. So let me make it concrete. Here are 4 specific ways AI is already delivering measurable results in elevator service companies, and what each one means practically for a mid-scale US operator. AI Application 1. Predictive maintenance. Traditional preventive maintenance runs on a fixed schedule. Every unit gets serviced at defined intervals regardless of its actual condition. A unit that is performing perfectly gets the same visit cadence as one that is quietly deteriorating. AI changes this by analyzing patterns across your entire portfolio. Breakdown history, component age, environmental factors, service frequency, repair patterns on similar equipment. The AI identifies which units in your portfolio carry the highest breakdown risk. In the coming weeks, your field team can then prioritize service visits based on actual risk rather than the calendar date alone. The result is fewer emergency outages, better equipment reliability, and a stronger compliance story under ASME A17.1 standards that reward risk-based maintenance approaches. AI Application 2. Intelligent dispatch. When a service call comes in, the AI simultaneously analyzes every field mechanic's live GPS location, current workload, skill certification relative to the job type, and real-time traffic conditions. The optimal dispatch decision is produced in seconds. The nearest qualified mechanic with available capacity gets assigned, not the one who picked up the phone first. The practical outcome: response times drop significantly, field productivity increases, and client experience improves as a direct operational result. AI Application 3. Repeat error detection. This is the application most elevator companies underestimate. AI analyzes your entire work order history and identifies patterns that human review almost never catches. The same repair happening on the same unit every 6 to 8 weeks, a specific component type failing across multiple properties, technician-specific patterns that suggest a training gap rather than an equipment problem. These patterns exist in your data right now. AI surfaces them automatically, so root causes get addressed instead of symptoms getting repeatedly treated. This directly reduces your callback rate, improves equipment reliability, and protects your liability position under ASME A17.1 maintenance standards. AI Application 4. Revenue leakage analysis. AI can analyze billing patterns, parts usage versus invoiced amounts, contract renewal rate trends, and service response data to identify exactly where revenue is leaving your business. Contracts consistently renewing at lower rates than they should. Parts used on jobs not appearing on invoices. Response time patterns affecting client satisfaction below the threshold that generates direct complaints. These patterns cost U.S. elevator companies significant revenue annually, and they are only visible through data analysis at a scale and speed that human review cannot produce consistently. ElevatorPlus integrates AI capabilities across all 4 of these applications into a single platform built specifically for elevator service operations, not general field service AI, not generic business intelligence tools. AI trained on elevator industry operations, calibrated to the specific workflows, compliance requirements, and service patterns of this business. If you want to understand what AI implementation looks like specifically for your company's portfolio size and market, schedule your strategy call today. Link is in the description, because AI in the elevator industry is not a future conversation anymore. The companies implementing it now are already pulling ahead.